So we're gonna start with the introduction. What does the first part of like the introduction want so that when the reader reads it, they want to keep reading? Olivia? Yeah. So what this paper has like a topic sentence, but we're gonna add like a hook and we're gonna write it like in this blank spot above it so that we can, when you write it on your final paper, you can just put the hook and then the introduction or the topic sentence. So what do you think a good hook could be? Harrison?
I'm thankful for
Okay. We could incorporate the 3 category part. Then.
I'm thankful for many things.
Yeah, I'm thankful for many things. Let's see. We want to grab the reader's attention, so what do you think, Jenna?
You can sort of ask them a question so they can start reading and they can figure it out.
Yeah, questions are always a good way to start an essay because that definitely provides the reader with a question and they want to keep reading to find out the answer. So what do you think a question could be if we did a question? Right?
What are you thankful for?
Yeah, that's good. Well, why don't we do that? It's a great hook. So you can just write it above that part since we don't really have a lot of space. So what are you? So then when you go to move on the final paper, when I give that to you, you'll write this sentence, that question, and then you'll write the Thanksgiving reminds me of all the things I'm thankful for. I appreciate, and then on those 3 blanks, you'll write whatever the 3 things you're thankful for. So it seemed like a lot of people did family, so I'm gonna make the first one about family. So I'm not gonna fill in all 3, but I'm gonna put family here for the sake of the majority seem to use family. So if you have your 3 already chosen, you can go ahead and write on the blanks all 3 of what you're thankful for, that you're gonna write about. So go ahead and fill that in on the blanks. And so here in the introduction, we provided the reader with a hook, and we provided them with our a topic sentence and our 3 ideas that we're going to write about in the rest of the paragraphs in the essay. So the first one, since a lot of people did family, we're going to do that one as a class so that you can kind of have an idea of what to write. Okay, so I'm especially thankful for family for my family. For my family because when we brainstormed a few ideas, Micaiah had said because we get to eat dinner with them and vacations and holidays. So what's the first one that we want to write about? We'll do holidays. So I'm especially thankful for my family because every year we get to celebrate holidays together.
Yeah.
Because every year you can go ahead and if you did family, you can write this on this paper. If you didn't do family, on that little half sheet that we wrote the brainstorm ideas on, you can also write it on that if you didn't do family. I think most of you did, but if you didn't, then you can just write it on another piece of paper so that you have it as an example. Every year we So that would be our first detail describing why we're thankful for our families. What could be a second one? Dean?
They help you learn how to ride a bike.
Okay, so let's see. They help us learn how to ride a bike. What else do they help us with? Olivia? Homework, is that what you said?
Mm-hmm.
So we can say we're thankful for homework because they're helpful and support us in the things that we like to do. Does that make sense? Yeah.